Are you looking forward to having your mattress cleaned properly? Have the cleaning done by professionals, so, if you are in Melbourne, you need to hire the best mattress steam cleaning service in Melbourne. There are certain reasons behind. 1. They offer comprehensive cleaning of dust and dirt. 2. The cleaning method lengthens the life of the mattress. 3. Comprehensive stain removal. 4. Their cleaning is eco-friendly and convenient. Thus, it always helps when you hire a Melbourne professional mattress steam cleaning service. What better name can you opt for than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? We're awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us https://bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com/